Red Magic 10 Pro, a gaming flagship with cutting-edge features. The iPhone looks ordinary when placed next to the Red Magic 10 Pro, but when you turn the phones over, you immediately notice a stark contrast. If I told you this phone houses Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship processor, a 6500 mAh battery, and liquid metal cooling, you'd probably find it unbelievable. But these features are real and define the essence of the Red Magic 10 Pro. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Design and build quality. We received the Red Magic 10 Pro in its Night Edition. The phone features a flat-edge design, complemented by black and red accents, exuding a futuristic vibe. The back panel design has intricate patterns with a subtle X logo in the top right corner, surrounded by high-speed cooling fans and a dual-color lighting scheme. It feels robust and fits perfectly with the night theme. In addition to the night, the phone is also available in options like White Night, Blade Transparent, and Hidden Transparent editions, offering something for every user. On the right side, the phone boasts an array of physical buttons, including a circular power button and elongated volume rockers. Their tactile feedback ensures effortless operation even without looking. A signature red button allows instant access to the gaming hub, enhancing the phone's gaming identity. Display, a seamless full-screen experience. The Red Magic 10 Pro features a next-generation under-display camera, enabling a true full-screen experience. The display has a 1.5K resolution and supports a 144Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. With bezels as thin as 1.95 millimeters, the phone achieves a stunning 95.3% screen-to-body ratio, making it a king among straight-edge flagship phones. When compared side-by-side with the iPhone 16 Pro, the Red Magic 10 Pro offers a visibly wider and more immersive view. The under-display camera is the most advanced full-screen solution currently available, creating an unobstructed visual experience. Performance. The Red Magic 10 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite built on TSMC's 2nd Gen 3nm process. This cutting-edge chipset clocks up to 4.2 GHz, delivering top-tier performance. The phone also supports Nubia's proprietary Air Mobile technology for enhanced graphics, making it compatible with over 200 popular games. It easily scores over 3 million points on the Antutu benchmark, cementing its position among high-performance smartphones. To sustain such high performance, the Red Magic 10 Pro employs advanced cooling solutions. The high-speed centrifugal GPU fan spins at 23,000 RPM, complemented by liquid metal cooling. Unlike traditional solutions, the liquid metal is encased in a sandwich structure, avoiding corrosion issues and ensuring efficient heat dissipation. This allows for consistent frame rates and a cooler phone body during long gaming sessions. Gaming experience, flawless and immersive. Gaming on the Red Magic 10 Pro is a seamless experience. During a 30-minute gaming test, frame rates remained stable, and the thermal performance was outstanding. Even during demanding games, the phone exhibited no overheating or throttling. Its cooling system ensures smooth performance, making it an ideal choice for mobile gamers. Connectivity is another highlight. The phone includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, ensuring no compromises for gamers who prefer wired audio setups. The tactile gaming triggers on the sides provide a console-like experience, enhancing gameplay precision. Battery and charging. With a massive 6500 mAh battery, the Red Magic 10 Pro delivers exceptional endurance. Its battery uses high-energy density technology, offering extended capacity without adding bulk. Despite the large battery, the phone remains slim at just 8.9 millimeters thick. In real-world testing, the phone consumed only 6% battery during a 30-minute gaming session and lasted over 8 hours on a single charge. The device supports 80-watt fast charging, reaching 57% in just 14 minutes and a full charge in 41 minutes. A unique charging bypass technology allows the phone to draw power directly from the charger while gaming, reducing heat and preserving battery life. Camera. Gaming phones often skimp on camera performance, but the Red Magic 10 Pro surprises with its 50-megapixel primary sensor. The camera offers excellent clarity, dynamic range, and natural colors, making it suitable for everyday photography. Advanced autofocus algorithms enhance detail, and selfies show reduced smudging compared to previous models. While the telephoto lens performance is modest, the overall camera setup competes well with mainstream flagships. This makes the Red Magic 10 Pro a versatile choice beyond just gaming. Software and features. The phone introduces a Nubia 2.0 feature, creating a dedicated VR gaming space. Users can enjoy virtual interactions, play games, or engage in video chats. The virtual assistant can even assist with in-game strategies, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Conclusion: a well-rounded gaming flagship. The Red Magic 10 Pro stays true to its gaming roots while excelling in performance, display, battery life, and cooling. Its sleek design, advanced features, and competitive pricing make it one of the most compelling flagship options of the year. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or a regular user, the Red Magic 10 Pro is a standout choice. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and experiences with the Red Magic 10 Pro. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and see you in the next one.